Want a cool drink after a long day? Let's start brewing. Let's try making some iced green tea. Pro tip: green tea, rich in antioxidants, is good for weight loss and helps reduce the risk of heart disease. Here's what you will need: green tea, honey, sliced ginger, ice, lemon wedges for garnish. In hot water, put 1-2 tea bags of green tea. Steep for no more than 5 minutes and then remove the bags. Now add a few pieces of freshly sliced ginger and pour in 1 tablespoon of honey. Stir it before setting it aside to chill. Take your serving glass with some ice cubes in it. Pour your tea over them and serve with some lemon wedges on the side. Your iced green tea is ready to enjoy. Next up we have the refreshingly chill apple iced tea. You will need black tea bags, lemon juice, lemon slices, mint leaves, apple juice, apple slices and ice. In hot water, add 1 or 2 tea bags and let it sleep for around 3 minutes. Then remove the tea bags and let the tea cool down. Add the juice of half a lemon. Now in a serving glass, add some ice cubes, lemon slices, apple slices and crushed mint leaves. Finally, pour about a cup of apple juice and your lemon iced tea. In the end, garnish it with a lemon slice, mint leaves and some apple slices. Your chill and sweet apple iced tea is ready.